Yo, what's up, everybody? Guess who's back with a brand new rap? Today we're going to be doing, first and foremost, War on Code. Secondly, the thing that we are going to be doing is, I was doing a little bit of work off stream. So I was experiencing severe burnout. So, cool. Right. Let's just see where we are first. Let's see where I am with the Git project, actually, because I don't know if I've committed the wall. Oh, don't get gooey. Hell no. It's been a long time since I used Git GUI. Git status. Git not doing anything fancy. Commit. Save progress because we're doing things. Man, I've been typing on a Dvorak keyboard for probably like a year and a half now, and I just feel so bad at typing still. I bet my typing is still like dog shit. Oh lord. Eek. Oh my god. I type so bad. Very considerate, but still. I don't type properly right now. To may begin with find little into place to only do what long head great. Oh, 80. Damn, okay. I think when I was on QWERTY, I think I maxed like 80 to 90. Cause I don't type correctly. I'm trying to fix that, but that was kind of actually decent. Oh, fuck me. Wait, I'm starting to get to work a little bit. No, both under very fact. Motherfucker. God damn it. I get to like the last 20 seconds and I start tilting. Yeah. They should. Again. People which, well, or stand room. I don't know why I'm making it sound so much harder than it is. It's not that hard. I that's the problem, but I've tried too hard. Wait, shut up. Okay. Let me show you something. If anybody in chat wants to do monkey typing, show me how bad I am. Let me know. If anyone's actually interested, I switched to Dvorak. I don't know when I switched to Dvorak. It was a while back. Maybe it was like a year and a bit ago. And this has been my progression through learning a new keyboard layout. So we started off at like 40 words per minute. And now we hit like 65 or so. Let's see if I could beat that. Oh my god, I fucked it already. Refresh. Right. Oh my god. Wow. Very real too. I'm really messing up. I don't use my little finger. Right, let's do it one more time. I think I've used all my good. I've used all my good energy so far. Right. You bastard. Fuck me. Man. This goddamn thing gets me every time. I what say, keep little search for about Eddie. Ah, man, no. Oh, I was going so well as well, I threw it. Okay, if anybody in chat wants to try and beat that. I got 80 a second ago, but fuck, I'm in the 60s. Never learn a different keyboard layout. So, okay, get status. We push to get. Right, let's have a look. So, as I was saying, when I was off stream, I did do a little bit of messing around with this. So, we now have an equipment screen, and it's a little bit shoddy, but that still tries to equip things that can't be equipped, which is wrong. But we can equip and decrypt items, and if I do that, it should switch, but we only really have one item right now. And I want to add a little stats screen as well, because so we have equipment. I want to add a little stat screen just so when you equip a weapon. That was some big ideas for this actually, but we can just do whatever. Right, let me think about where exactly I am. So we have the inventory. Is this scene not found? Transition wrecked. Good, we don't want that. Fuck, I think we do. Fade.tcn. So I made this ages ago, which is I followed a tutorial. I never figured out why this didn't work actually, but I followed the tutorial on the Godot website, which was how to do a fade animation, and it's really not that complicated. I just don't know why it never worked. Like there it actually fades. I'm guessing it's because those are full size. Full erect. We are full erect now, boys. Scene path. But yeah, I followed the tutorial. It's very simple, but I don't know why it's not showing. Yo, Edx, how are you doing, bro? Hello, hello, hello. Right now, we're just doing some little bits and bobs, trying to see if I can get this full erect screen working correctly. Let's put it down on the bottom. Layouts. If I have to put it onto the camera. Fully erect, transform. That's a real trouble getting this goddamn thing working, and it's the most simple thing in the world. Oh no, I need to be my guy. It's the simplest thing in the world. It literally just creates a black box, but for some reason it never worked, and I didn't mess around too much trying to get it to work. Howdy, you look like a man who knows how to hold a rod. Where's my transition rate, man? Godot, fade, transition. That's not what I want. Is this what I did? A smooth fade transition. Add color rect as the root, name it transition rect. Create full rect. It ensures where is my erection? Here it is. My scene transition rect. It's right here. So what does this do right now? It starts off. It works here. It works when it's like that, but I don't know if I think you need to put it on a UI node. Not sure if that's the exact name. So I have this transition erection. I think that's its correct name. And then it is. Oh, it needs to be on a UI node. Well, this isn't a UI node. It's I don't know what this is actually. Oh, it's just a node. I think you need to put on a UI node. That might be the case. In that case, I have to do something different. But... Yo, Kamikaze, how are you doing, bro? Basically a full game now. Yeah, man. Like we've got rections and we've got what's this stuff? Canvas layer. Let's try that. I do have a canvas layer here. Boom. If this is what it is, Alex, I'm gonna find somebody to give you a big kiss. Right. Let's see if re-erection. Oh. Oh, that's okay. We expected that to happen. Boom. We moved where it was. Let's try it again. How's everyone doing? You okay, Kamikaze? How about you, Edx? Are you doing okay? You all ready for Christmas? You're like a man who knows how to hold a rod. It still does not fucking do it. Sorry for my language, but Let me just try and see about the let me see if I can spot the constraints or anything. Okay, so it's a full rect. Modulate. Is it because I've changed it to this? Oh, did I do it the wrong way around, maybe? I mean, that looks like it's probably a little bit more like it. That goes well. So it starts completely transparent and then becomes opaque at the end. Yes, which is what it was. So it starts completely transparent. Which is what it was. Oh, unless oh, I think maybe I know what the issue is. Animation player play fade. Oh no, it is fade. So I don't think we need that. We just need to await animation player finished. Ooh. Animation get next. That's definitely not what I want. Animation finished. Okay, cool. Unless I'm calling this incorrectly, perhaps. Strange. Oh, damn. What the fuck did I just do? Okay. I felt like I did nothing and it worked, which is always a weird thing. Okay. It doesn't do the play backwards though. Oh, I'm guessing that's because in the fishing thing we need to also have this. Okay. Well, that's nice, isn't it? We don't know why it works, but it works. Menus, no scenes fishing. So in the fishing one, if we also add a we also add that in here? How did you even change anything? But congrats on the fix. I did mess around with... Yeah, I don't know. I didn't change much. I rejigged some of these. And I did disconnect this. So whatever I changed wasn't something I thought would impact it, but apparently it did impact it. Boop. Okay, cool. Now this should go blump, blump. Blump. Oh no, it doesn't. Fuck you. God damn it. Guessing it has to be like here, maybe. Top left. Full rect. Ordering. Sometimes it just happens like that, man. Okay, whatever. It's a little bit of progress. Anyway, so what I actually wanted to work on was we have an equipable thing now. So if I click the bottom button, it's hard to tell. We can now equip items. There's a few bugs that we need to iron out, which is I could try to equip a carrot. Luckily the code is it doesn't let me equip a carrot, but it does kind of half let me do it. It has to be on a canvas layer. Right. Let's do canvas layer. Yeah, I made this all wrong a little bit because I've got all these labels here. Not on the canvas layer. Guys, I feel like that's going to break everything. Let's just move this over. Canvas layer, follow viewports. Do I need to follow viewport? Canvas layer. Says okay. Canvas layer.gd doesn't do anything. Sorry, say the mic. Let's have a little look at that. Still not. It's not fading in yet. So that seems okay. Maybe I just need to check the Oh, okay. I think maybe if I fiddle around with the anchors, that works. Yo, Adam, you okay, bro? Should be a singleton. It kind of is. It's like a node you plonk on stuff. Okay, so that works. It's shoddy, but it does work. I missed the first bit. Yeah, we were just kind of doing some random things. Cool. Okay, so transition kind of works. That's good. So Adam, what about? There's a few things off stream. Nope. Godot crashed. The first thing I did, I had to remove the VS Code extension because it was messing with my whacker time thing, which is kind of annoying. I think there's ways to fix it, but it was interfering with the time collection. But I did a little bit on equipping stuff, but bits and bobs, but not too much. We'll expand on that a bit today. How you been doing, bro? But yeah, here we go. So added an extra button. You can't tell which one's which at the moment. The first one's to delete stuff, but the second one is to equip an item. So if the item has, you know, an equipable enum or whatever, you can now equip items, and if there's already an item equipped, you can swap it. Carrots, you can still apparently try to equip. We're not that smart. But yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there, kind of. It's not too bad, really. It's just like an extension of the inventory. It's the same, but different. I've kind of, I don't refactored everything, but I've kind of got a character screen now, because I want to try and make a stats thing. There's a few issues with the stats, which is where, because my game is rendered at a certain resolution and then upscaled, all the text doesn't really like it renders kind of correctly, but I think that's kind of like the smallest we can get the text, which might be a little bit too small. But let's see. So we have equipment slot, we have inventory. So essentially we need to modify the slot so that if has item. It's not just if has item, it's if has item. If... Did I not change this? Okay. So we need to change the slot to only show the button if the item is equipable. And so here we need to change this because we had a ball saying if we had an item. So we don't want to just know if we have an item and a ball of that. We want to know the item. Oh god, I changed a lot of this. I feel like I need to refactor a whole bunch of this. Has item equals item. Nope. Nope. Also. We can actually refactor a lot of this, but dot hide. It's kind of hard doing things off stream because in one hand, it's nice to kind of look at code and be like, I'm like confused and stuff and all that. But it's also bad because it's like, damn, I wish I could do this on stream because it's kind of interesting for people. What's that funk browser on the right side? Yo, Benjamin, there's an add-on called like Script IDE, I think. And this essentially just changes the Godot IDE a little bit. And this kind of function thing is part of that. So if you've not checked out Script IDE, it doesn't change it too much. It's still very, very Godot-y. But it does make it a little bit more nicer in my opinion, at least. Right, so refactoring this, which is the item slots a little bit. So let's just do dot show. I already went through equipment slot, so item slot and equip button. If item. So dot. Let's change all the visible Boolean stuff to the function, just to make it a little bit better. Dot hide. We can refactor this quite a bit, but if item dots equip slot. Right. Let's not do that. So what I want to know is if my item is equipable, essentially. So here we have equip slot. We can just do func is equipable. Return a bool, which is going to be very similar to just doing this, but return equip slot does not equal so if it's equipable, the equip slot does not equal equip slot none. This is a little bit strange. So in my item.gd inventory item, it references the package equipment. I don't know if I want that. I'm going to stick with it, but it makes me feel weird kind of linking those two packages together. It might be better to have this in like a separate thing that isn't part of equipment. But we'll ride with it for now because it should do the job. So we just added a function onto the item to check if it's equipable. So if you have the item, if item dot is equipable, we do the equip button as well. So now we shouldn't be able to equip the carrot. Let's just check, so I did some more stuff here. Item unequipped, slots. Put this. This actually doesn't matter, but I'm going to put this here anyway. On equip button pressed, we emit first, and then we update null. Right, let's see if we can equip the carrot. Okay, we can't. Ugh. The UI is a little bit shoddy, but we can only equip swords now. Very nice. Progress. We can delete the carrot still. Maybe we can change the UI, but would be more efficient to just add an enum of item type to the item resource, and that would simplify equip slot. Yeah, we could do that as well. Yeah, I remember seeing what you did, Adam. Yeah, we could do something like that as well. I've not particularly thought about this insanely well, but yeah, something that's fine. Or anything as long as we know it's equipable, I guess. Yeah, we could have something that is essentially very, very similar. So equip slot will only cares about the actual slot itself. The item has something that you can match to it, but they are independent data. I think that'll be probably the nicer way of doing it, probably. Which I imagine is probably similar to what you've got, right? I'm just kind of bodging this in a little bit right now. But we can change that at some point. We can kind of put something in here and then figure out. Okay, let's add in. So I wanted to have a little look. So I made a very crap stats screen, which is here. I don't think we even have 4 stats right now, but ten to 10. These all okay. So we have health, we have attack. I think we have defense, and that's kind of it. Oh, we have speed, attack, health, speed. Let's do armor as well. Armor. So sword has. This is. So I do remember somewhere I made... Oh, I have health modifier and attack modifier on the sword. Let's do... Let's just see if we can get something going here. So an item... For... Armor. Modifier. Sorry if my spelling of armor is triggering any Americans in the chat. Right, let's see if we get some numbers on the screen. We love numbers on the screen, don't we? So, where were we? So let's first look at the UI and see what exactly we need. So the character thing here... Where's my inventory? This is my inventory. Now, how the hell in inventory do I get... Do I just literally pull the player inventory? Okay. So we don't do anything funny here. We literally just get the player inventory. We don't pass anything through. We don't make anything generic. We just go, boom. Let's rename this. So we have health label, attack label. This would be quite cool because we should be able to equip and unequip items. I only have one item right now, which kind of sucks, but we should be able to get this quite easily. Just update the stats based on what items we have equipped, and also the player stats. Armor label. So we had health, we had attack, we had armor, we had speed. Right. So make a function called func. Update stats. I don't think we need to pass it anything. Void. And we need to load up these bad boys. Boop. 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 How's your game going anyway, Adam? You have to show me what you're up to at some point. I know you showed me bits and bobs before, I remember that, but you have to let me know what's going on. It's been quite a long few weeks though, I know that. Right. So for the stats, we actually need to know a little bit more than just what's in the inventory. We need to know what's on the player. Var stats equals player equipment dot get modifiers. This returns a struct rstats dot health. Equipment. Get modifiers. Oh yeah, I remember this. We created a class for modifiers, didn't we? Ah, you bastard. Okay, let's just worry about attack and health right now. So we can delete... So we have attack and health. That's fine. Let's just do attack and health. Health label. Our stats dot. We have... We can do getter and setter. Can't remember if there's an easy way of doing getters and setters. Getters and setters, sorry. I feel like there is, but turn self dot get attack self dot attack. And then if I do so that's the GD, that's dot get health, and then attack label equals stats. The player equipment. I think we're gonna have to change this a little bit because right now we're getting the player equipment, and that's okay. But the player. It's not just equipment that gives the player stats, it might also be... Well, we can make it so it's only the equipment right now, but... it's also maybe going to be levels or something similar. So we might not be able to go directly to... this. Yeah, well, I've been a bit busy. Yeah, same here, man. It's been... Oh, that's cool. Yeah, it's been a long few weeks. Int cannot be assigned to a variable of type string. Come on. Just let me make an int a string, please. Just do that for me. Right. Okay. So we need to do func. We need to set in so when it's ready, when it loads, we want to update stats. Update stats, and also player equipment. If there's a change in the equipment change dot connect update stats as well. Cool. Equipment stats equals, what was this? Modif. I've made a custom type here, so I need to reference it somehow. Dot. Cool. Let's see where that gets us. Okay. New keyboard, you have a stroke and forget how to type. Honestly, probably the latter. To be honest, I think you missed the first part, Adam, because I was, monkeytype.com. I was saying, because I changed to Dvorak like a year and a half ago. I was talking about my typing speed is still like not that good. Go here. I think this is when I changed to Dvorak. And even on QWERTY, I don't type correctly, so I'm trying to get better at this. I don't use my pinky and I use my third finger like sparingly, but I don't use my pinky, and I don't do it in like the orthological way or whatever it's called. And so even on QWERTY, I wasn't very fast. And I changed to Dvorak, and it's been over a year, and it's slowly getting better, but it's still like it's still. See, I've already fucked it up. In Group, yeah, call early. Ah, you bastard. Man, I always throw it towards the end. Come on. 63. So yeah. Still can't type shit. Did you add values to the sword? I believe I did, yeah. Let me have a little double check. If I could find the goddamn sword. Oh no, I did not. That might be why. That might be why. Good spot. Very good spot indeed. Honestly, Adam, if you had not said that, I would have been like, I 100% added them. Of course I added the stats to the sword. Boom! Look at that. And if we remove them... That's nice, isn't it? Okay. To see. Edgaro93. Yo, you okay, bro? How are you doing? Right now, it's War on Code. War on Code, character selection. Character screen. So, that's cool. So, we actually have... stats that are kind of trackable. So... player inventory. It's the first time I see you. What are you making? Essentially, I'm making like an open world RPG, but that's, I guess, not really the important thing. The important thing is I'm just doing Godot stuff for 200 hours. So I've made this kind of open world RPG right now. We've got like stuff where you can equip, you can read I Am the Book, and we've done some other things where, you know, we've added in, where is it? Tradings. Oh. Something's booked. But yeah, we've done some bits and bobs in the game and like trying to work something out, essentially. But really, it's just like a big learning exercise. So it's not so much about what I'm making for this. This is just kind of a way of just playing around and do some cool stuff. That's when we create new shit to the resource and don't go back to already created items. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, let's firstly check why was the trade screen not working? That was very strange. It's like it wouldn't let me click. Trade. I'm guessing it's to the mouse. Mouse is on ignore. That's correct. Fail to ignore. Why is trade not working anymore? Mouse. To pass through or to ignore? Mouse pass. Ignore. It's definitely it's one of those things where you fix something and then 5 other goddamn things are broken at the same time. Is canvas layer fucking stuff up? Character maybe fucking stuff up? Ooh, unless this is mouse. That's still, that's set to ignore. Right, let's put my dude closer to the traders and see why I can't trade. Player 3, right. Let's see why I can't trade. Oh no. Okay, I can trade. Okay. Oh, the classic. The absolute classic, which is where it just works this time. Okay. That's happened twice today. Literally 2 times today. I've done something, and then I've basically done nothing, and then it worked again. Right, so let's quickly change the stats so that we only see attack and health, and let's just put a label on it so it looks prettier than it actually is. Health, and then if I do attack, and let's change this to attack, and then let's get it so that we actually calculate different damage based on the item we've got. So if I go to player.gd, my favorite. No better place to be than to be in player.gd. This is where all the terrible things happen. So we have left attack. I feel like something is a little bit weird with these. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so that the area is a little bit larger in which they attack. So it's kind of like a swing. Oh. Maybe it's just about you for trying VS Code. I think it is. Honestly, I'd happily go back to VS Code. It's just it didn't work very well with Whacker Time. I think I can fix it. I just didn't spend too much time messing around with it, which I should have done because it's so much better doing it in VS Code. And the right attack, let's just double check this. I felt like there was a little bit of a bug with if direction's left, attack player, left attack area. I thought there was a little bit of a bug when I was attacking things. It didn't seem to be registering very well, but it is a little bit buggy. I wonder if I could do like left attack area dot visible, just so we can like debug it a little bit better. But let's just check. So we match whatever, we switch on what the current direction is. So if we're currently left, we attack left attack area. Yep, so this is actually okay, because we're playing the sprite animation. The direction dot right, we attack right, and then we attack with the right attack area. Up is up, and then down is attack down, down attack area. Okay. So we attack enemy. Stats dot attack. Okay. Var Damaggio int equals stats dot attack plus oh, we don't have a reference to our own equipment here. Right. So, oh, we do. Equipment. So we should have a reference to our equipment in the player. And then we simply do var damage equals stats.attack, which is our base attack, plus equipment dot get modifiers dot get attack. Boom. We also need to do something about health. Hey mate, just drop in to say what up and hi from Portland or what? Yo Bryce, you okay bro? Been a little while, are you looking after yourself? Ready for Christmas? Right. Damn, if we get a sword, we might be able to actually kill some shit. Which is cool. Portland oregano. Oh, nice. I didn't know oregano was famous from Portland, but it's good to know. Oh, the trees still clip. So that's not good. Right, so we equip a sword. We should be doing 15 damage now. We should be doing 15 damage. 15 damage! Oh my god. Hey. Oh my god, we kill slimes in one hit. Guys, I think we've... Hey. So that works. Up works. Down works. Eh? Why does left not work? It works very strangely. Die, you bastards. I'm doing great and definitely ready for Christmas. Oh, that's really nice to hear. Ty, you must be quite big on Christmas then. So why is that not working? We'll go to the left. A little bit of a strange bug. Hit detection is a little wonky, but that's okay. Wow, we've got like are we getting sympathy on is it just because the boxes are small? Yeah, it's the boxes are small. It's not my code. There's no way it would be my code. It's just the fact that the boxes are just so small. Imagine it being my code though. I couldn't imagine that. Definitely couldn't imagine my code being dodgy. We also need to do like this. Like that. Oh yeah, yeah. We need like a cone. not oregano ruffle, a state above California. Yeah, I know that. I'm just fucking with him. I'm just messing around, yeah. For Portland, like that's always like, because Americans say oregano, but we say oregano. It's just like the another funny thing that another American terminology that's quite funny is arugula. Is that arugula? 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 Arugula. Is that arugula? Rocket. There's no way. There's no way people say arugula. There's arugula. There's another one as well. Swede. Swede in American. Rutabaga. That's it. Yeah. Oh my god. Rutabaga. Can somebody please confirm that saying arugula is a thing and rutabaga is a thing? I think we really need to clarify this. I feel like these boxes are a little bit out of control right now. So first we got spice it up. Oh damn! I like that. Spice it up with the damage range. 1 max damage. Max damage can be take hard damage. Yeah, I'm thinking about keeping it fixed right now because then I can scale. I can scale things a little bit easier if it's not a random damage like Some stuff like that. Also, to fair, what do you know about spices? Look at your food. I mean, true. You see, there's that. Let's take the L. Yeah. We've seen the what's it? You see this?
Yeah? Thought I'd make a video now because you like it when I'm angry, don't ya? Well, I'm fucking angry this morning, yeah? So I thought I'd make a fucking video. Why I'm angry? Don't ask me why. I've just woke up in a fucking steaming mood, yeah? Because I live in a shithole! Do you know what I mean? Birmingham is a fucking shithole! I hate the fucking place! I fucking hate it! It's full of dickheads! I fucking hate it! Yeah! Woke up this morning, I'm fucking pissed off! Gonna stay in this fucking shithole for the rest of my life! That's what I do with YouTube. I want the fuck out of here. Before I do kill some cunts, rip them to pieces, and drink the blood to the dead. I'll drink them like a fucking dry. I'll drink them fucking dry.
Why can't I not search anything? Oh
fucking hate this place. Full of dickheads. Fucking hate
Stafford.
it.
My dear new friends.
Oh, it says I'm 56 minutes.
With a ready smile
Birmingham,
and a
but
twinkle in his eye.
I'm actually a lot closer than that, but yeah, that's what it feels like to be me. Right, let's try this section. Also, I've seen on Reddit people were talking about like collision detection and stuff, and that using circles is apparently the best performant thing. Okay. Wait. Damn, okay. What the fuck? What is it with this left one? Holy shit. Wait a minute. That's Bryce from Portland. I'm sure. Birmingham. What the hell? Right, the left one's actually fucked. Right. I've woke up in a steaming mood. 'Cause I live in a shithole. Why the fuck is this one not working? Oh, is it because of the mask? So you're right, up, down, left. Woke up in a steaming mood because I live in a shithole. That's literally my life every day. Right, let's equip the item. Boom. Extra 5 attack, boys. Boop, 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 boop. Let's kill some shit. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh my god. Oh, even killing skeletons. This is what true power feels like. Look at that. Oh. Oh my god, it's like almost a real fucking game. Bro, the sword's big. I mean, I'm still dying like a bitch, but oh, look at that. Oh. Bro, the sword's big. The sword is big. Let me just check it without the sword, see if it's still 10. Yo, B-style stuff. Let's see if it's 10 without the sword. It should be. We should be gooky right now. Yeah, nice. Awesome. So. We have a crappy little character screen with health. What I need to do is I want to make a bow, and I don't know if this is like a little bit too crazy, but I want to make it so that the different weapons actually have different attacks. B-style stuff, rectangle versus circle, where you go to enlighten us. Right, I need to add in a sword. Oh, damn. Okay, rectangle versus circle. On a rectangle, you check the edge position against each other. Yep. On a circle, you just check this between two centers, a single point, if not more. That's a performance increase. Yeah. Nice. And also, I saw, which is unrelated to performance, but I think people were talking about if you have it as a circle, you can kind of like move around things a little bit easier because it's not a like right angle points, stuff like that. That's cool to know. That's good to know. Thank you very much. It's been a while since I've added an item. Let's see how easy it is. Distance squared is also better than distance because square root is expensive. Oh, nice. That's cool. Hashtag did the maths, kind of. Create new resource. Let's see how. So we add in an inventory item. Bow.tres. I'm assuming that I have a bow texture because I must have a bow texture. I've got like every texture ever. I must run with Ace AI, using Mystic Art and try to make it shoot bow art. That'd be cool, yeah, some particle effects. That'd be really cool. Yeah, I don't know how crazy I want to go with like different weapons have different attacks, but I think it would be cool if you could choose between a bow and a sword at least, right? But it's just one of those things when as soon as you start introducing that, then it's like, okay, well, what about a wand? What about like a fireball? What about this? And then how it works in terms of the game. I've got a little bit of an idea of how it could work, but right. So we've got a bow. God, can I just steal some goddamn stats? Equip slot. We don't have a two-hander. We don't have an option of it being two-handed. You gave me a bow texture. Yeah, you probably did. I wonder if I saved that. If not, I'll have a little loosh. I can remember you sending it to me. I'm pretty sure I saved it. Right. Let me just save this quickly. Which I think I already have saved it. Oh, I have. Never mind. Okay. Yeah, I did save it. Sorry. It's been a little while. Forgive me. You gave me a bow texture, and then we don't have a way of having. Ooh, let's make it so that the bow could give you armor. Ooh-wee. Sell price. The sword is 20. The bow can be 15. I think I do need to check out how to handle textures a little bit better. So I remember, like here we have sprite sheet. So I get a little bit overwhelmed. One of the things in Godot is there's like 20 different textures. Like, what's the main texture I should be using? I see people talk about an Atlas texture a lot. Is this just a sprite sheet? Ooh. Oh. Damn, are we doing it? Just like that, is it? Grid snap, maybe? Is this how you use a sprite sheet? Are we done? Sorry. The one problem with the bow is, god damn it, my character does not have a bow animation. Fuck. God, why do games require everything to be a drawing? Pixel snap, 16 by 16. I think we're rocking and rolling, aren't we? Use the pixel snap 16 by 16, pixel snap 16 by 16. Oh, is it this one? Sorry, grid snap 16 by 16. Okay, nice. Boom. Use the animation player on the sprite set vertical and horizontal so you select the frame you want. Nice. Well, yeah, I think if I just put in the Atlas texture, I think this should give us what we need. That's cool, because I saw this before where every time I went to make a texture, you have like 20 different textures. So it's a little bit a little bit confusing about what to do. So this is the item resource, which isn't very interesting. Then I need to add... Right, let's make some guys sell the item. That is a good idea. Or, just to make it easy. So, Hank inventory. Oh my god, we can just add in a... Oh shit. We just add in a bunch of items. That'd be quite cool. Bow. About 90% of the time, Texture 2D does the job. Oh, nice. B-style stuff. It seems like you know quite a lot about you know quite a lot about Godot, don't you? Thank you. I tried to say. Boom. Oh, they have the same attack, eh? Ooh, something strange happens here. Which is... What was that bug? There's a bug. And that... We are updating something before we delete something. And then if I do that, it is there. It's just not updated. Okay. I tried to say pixel snap changed to grid snap, but it comes out the change to grid snap. Lol, must have done it too fast. Yeah, all good, bro. We got it in the end. As always, lads, I appreciate the support because I am generally an idiot. So, oh, okay. Let's make the bow have health modifier. How about that? Attack modifier, and then there is an item with the inventory when we do something. Ooh, okay. B-style stuff. He's dropping the folder structure knowledge. Let's read what he says. For the file structure, I personally use assets, graphics, audio. Audio has background music and sound effects folders, graphics to separate theme, and sprites. Sprites folder has categories. Okay. Yeah. My problem is that I've just downloaded a bunch of different packs that are all a mixture of everything. I have fonts, and then I tried it a little bit like music. I did try to organize it a little bit, but I've kind of just dumped everything in here right now for now. And I've just got like loads of crap here, but that's good to know. So let me just see what was happening with there's a little bit of a slight bug when if I equip an item, it doesn't properly swap. Or it swaps, but I think there's something strange with the signals. So if I do that, if I buy that, if I equip that, and then I swap. The items are added into... It is added into the inventory, but it's just not... It is added into the inventory, but something's slightly strange here. It's always good to know what people do for their file structure. What have you been working on, them B-style stuff? I'll be interested to know what kind of the game you're doing. I type slow because I'm listening on the background while cooking. Oh, nice. What's cooking good looking? I'm using the engine since 3.2 for both personal projects and game jams. Nice. This year started freelancing using it, so ask away. Damn, bro. That's cool. Freelancing Godot. Damn, you're the man. You are the man. I think it's just using your base 5 damage. No, so there's so I have some logic here to swap the item. So if you try to equip the item and something is already equipped, it will swap it. I think there's a few things I have going. Oh, I need to trade. Right. So right here. So nothing actually breaks. Like it does actually. So if I swap like that, it looks like it didn't swap, but it actually did. If I unequip now, it's not painting it. So it's like when it swaps, it's not painting that there's an item here. When that actually is. If I do that, okay, it comes back. Yeah. So it is swapping correctly. It's not. It's not updating the inventory. So equip index, and it only works when it only does this when we are equipping the item. Oh, I did swap. Maybe you can use while loop. Maybe I could use a while loop. Maybe. Or maybe we don't need to. Or maybe we do need to. Who knows? Currently not working on any fancy projects. Just simple C Docker clone and a clone of ancient game Slay. Oh, nice. That sounds cool though, bro. Sounds like you're on the grind. Power to you, my friend. So when we equip, we pop the item in the inventory. We equip the item. And if we swap, we do player inventory.insert. Do we just not emit a signal? Inventory. It seems like a signal problem, so insert, we do that. Oh, maybe when we pop it, we don't. No, we do. Inventory changed. It's just a very specific. Equipment change to omit. So this is okay. It's just very specific. Item change to omit. So update need a reference to equipment in. Update where exactly? Right, let's have a little look at this again. So when we equip, we pop something out of the inventory and we take that. So we pop it out of the inventory at the index and we have that item. If there's no item, we return, but there should be an item. This is just, like, defensive. Then, we do player equipment.equip item. Right. So there's a few things that makes this bug, like, a little bit interesting, which is... Let me get a boat. Oh, everything stacks. So, if I swap... Oh, no. I need to do... Okay, so that's the bug. Cool, we know that. Fuck, okay. It's definitely a signal problem. Let's do... Fuck, he's got no more bows left. So if I do this, it works. It's only when it's the same slot. It's only when it's the same slot. When we try to equip something that's already here, it doesn't update that there's an item. It knows that there's an item, so when I do this, it will render it properly. But when I, here, like that, it doesn't render. So it's a very, very specific bug, which makes it kind of obvious that something's fucked in my logic. So, do you update need a reference to equipment item? I mean, equipment slot in your inventory line, 24 in equipment. I mean, equipment slot in your inventory. Got a lot of things named equipment and inventory here. Item deleted. Item equipped. Ooh, pay inventory.insert. It's a very specific bug because it works. It's only when we swap. It's only when we're equipping and swapping in the same slot. So if items equals null. Items, item, inventory change.omit. Yo, yeah, see you later, bro. Have a good day. Cheers for stopping by. If anybody is watching the stream, by the way, give it a thumbs up. That'd be awesome if you guys like the stream. Otherwise, yep, thank you for being here. It's nice to see you all. So, we have an interesting bug, which is enshrouded in signals and manipulating arrays. Do you at any point save the item you remove from the slot, like a normal switch? Temp equals previous, previous equals new, new equals temp. Kind of, yeah, in a bit of a janky way. So where am I? This is all a little bit janky, but it should be, you know, janky enough that it should work. So, which is what I do here. So, essentially, we pop the item in the player inventory array, and we save that here. We then equip that item, and we have the swap, and then we insert that. If there's a swap, we insert that. It's a little bit janky, but the weird thing is that it's almost like it's not the signal's not emitting. It's going to be something very, very simple. So, if I equip this, and then if I swap this now, this will work. This will work okay. The bow gets put there. If it's the same slot, and I try to swap, it's not there. But if I cause the screen to re-render itself, it is actually there. So it's not like it's not adding it or doing anything. It's just not updating the screen. So if I do that, it's not showing, but if I drop an item which causes it, it'll re-render it, and it'll render it correctly. So there's a very interesting thing of why is this not causing it to be rendered correctly. So when the inventory is changed, we call the update function, which loops through the inventory and updates each and every one. Principally, for a sanity check at all points, you can also call a force update on all canvas items. The problem is it's gonna be like a weird. I think it's a weird signal issue. So if I breakpoint it, does that signal Venitez get omitted? Well, this is the weird thing, because this is the same. Oh no, but okay. So next to swap. So we have the swap. Wait, let me just is this something? So slots. So the thing is, this code works correctly. It's just when you swap an item at the very first index. So it's very, very. So if I do this, if I swap this item, it's going to work. Obviously, if I don't breakpoint it, it'll work. It's just if I swap that. So the signal clearly gets emitted at some point. Unless I do something really, really funny. Player equipment, unequipped item, inserts. Connect update. There can be a weird interaction sometimes with, because signals are asynchronous, so they can be a little bit strange, but. So player inventory, pop item at index. Let me just check if I'm, so inventory change dot emit. We return the item. That's as expected. If no item return, I think that's okay. So player equipment dot equip item. And you said you emit it. Yeah, I do. I don't know. So player inventory dot insert. Let's have a little look. So I do inventory change dot emit. Yeah. For item range, items are size. If items I equals null. Unless when I pop it, I don't set it to null. No, I do. Oh, unless. Wait, no. I do. I want to set it to null first and then emit the thing. I have had a few issues recently where if you emit the signal before if you emit the signal before you do it, it can cause a little bit of the wrong things. Inventory change dot emit. So add the item, and then I emit the signal to update. Same in pop item at index. I get the item, I set it to null, and then I emit. Probably maybe if there's something there already, it would turn false instead of checking for null as intended. If there's, do you mean pop item at index, or do you mean an insert? Sorry. If item equals null, return null. If there's something there already, it will return false instead of checking for null as intended. Is that insert? Sorry. I'll change to update either way. I might have a... No. Change to update either way, insert. Oh, okay. Do you mean... emit the thingy either way. Let's try that. Yeah, no, I like that. I think any small thing like that might show. It's very... It's one of those weird bugs, isn't it? Where it's like, there's a very certain behavior in which it happens, which would indicate that it's definitely my logic. But, so if I do that, why does it not? It's so strange because it is there. It's updating. It's updating before the item is inserted. It's calling update before the item is inserted, but that is definitely, and it only happens when the item is in the same slot. Interesting. Pay inventory, pop item at index. If no item, return. I don't think that's the issue because we are still equipping it correctly. So we equip the item, we then update. If you care about the sort of shooting, you'll be able to specify insert looks for the first empties I see. Yeah, for the inventory, I don't care about the slot. It just goes into the first available one. For the actual equipment part, it's a little bit different. But in this one, when we add something to the inventory, I just put it in the first slot that's available. So it's definitely something that happens around here because it works under every circumstance apart from when we swap. And all we do is we just insert it. We insert, and then the value is definitely it's definitely inserted into the array. It's just not updating after it's inserted. Just strange because I swear I was practicing this before. Oh. Okay. What's this? It doesn't really show us what's going on here. Oh, it says null. Item is null. Interesting. So apparently the item at slot index 0 is null. Which is okay right now because we are on the insert function, so it might actually be null right now. Is there any way I can step into? Okay, nice. We're debugging. So I equals 0. Okay, so we say items is an array, so it's still null. Item, continue the position. I think we're okay with that. So here we have the sword. It says that the sword is part of the array. And we do inventory change.omit. Okay. And then we loop through here. Okay, so we get min size is 15. Okay, it says the item's null here. Play inventory to items. That's simply not correct. It says there's no item. Wait. Ooh. What the hell? Is this item is null? How is the item null? God, is there race detection? Is there race conditions in Godot? Am I hitting a race condition right now? Is there a risk of so rust erase conditions a worry? So it emits it's synchronous. From what I see, unless you specify flag to it just iterates over the collections it calls. Unless you yeet, it'll work. Strange. Oh, okay. Item equals item. Okay. So that should work. We literally just updated the first one with the item. Equipment slot. Maybe the removal update gets done after the insert update. Let's do it one more time. I'm a little bit stumped. It's so strange because the swap works. If it's not in the same slot, or if it's not adding it back into the same slot, okay, that I'm breakpointed it, so that's one thing. So if it's not the same slot, it works. But as soon as we equip and it gets inserted to the same slot, it doesn't update. Right, let's debug this again. Something a little bit weird is going on, and it's not what I would usually expect. So we insert. So we're going to go to I equals 3, or 2, sorry. Okay, and so it says, okay, there's an empty slot here, which there is. Let's set that item, which we're doing. Item is the sword. So we set items, oh shit. We set items to as the item, and we do an inventory change.omit. Which is exactly what we want. We've omitted that. This then instantly goes into the update function, which iterates through the items and updates every slot with the item, which is exactly what we want.
You look just like I remember you.
So what we are now on size 12, cool, and we want to loop 3. So 0 is just going to be whatever we had. We're going to have a sword and we're going to have a carrot. Oops, I'm in the wrong place. So these are the slots. So we're going to go through. This is going to be a sword, which is correct. So then we're going to have a carrot. Can I do that? Yep. Nice. So this is the carrot. Yep. And then this is going to be the sword. And it is the sword. So we have the item in the array. We set our item as item. Nice. We set the background sprite. Very nice. We set the item texture equals item texture. Item sprite dot texture. Item sprite is the sword. Okay. And item sprite dot show. What the hell? Player inventory dot pop item index. That's so bizarre. Even the debugger's saying I'm right, man. Like, it's not a good position to be in, is it? Player inventory dot insert swapped item. I mean, we could print out the item name or something, but I feel like is it really going to show us anything that the debugger's not showing us? Like items. Aye. We could print out the item name. This might oh, sorry. This might spam us a little bit though. But at this point we're getting desperate. So to buy this, boop. Well, that's not helpful at all, is it? That's not helpful. That's so bizarre. We essentially, if we swap player inventory dot insert. Okay. And if I do dupe, and if I reload it, oh, okay. If I close and load it, it doesn't do anything. If I delete it, it shows up. Update null. Update null. This is such a bizarre bug. I've not seen anything like this in a long time. Wait, unequip, okay. Equip index. So we pop item at index. Unless... So slot index. Bastard. It's such a bizarre bug because it's not like it works. It only doesn't work when we're swapping into the same slot. It only has an issue when we're swapping into the same slots, which is interesting. What does this do? Player equipment dot equip item. I don't think this is going to give us any clues, but equipment change dot emit, which is fine. dot insert. What about if I just call update manually? If this doesn't work, I think at least we'll know something's over straight. But if I explicitly call update item, boom, boom. Okay, that doesn't work. But if I delete something, it's there. Okay. Interesting. So player inventory dot insert. It's clearly inserting it into the array, which is the strange thing. It's just, it's something, am I looking in the wrong spot? Is that why? There's something else happening here that's weird. Let's go. Boom. Like that. Yeah. So if I equip that. So we do hit hello. Hey, bastard. Then why don't you work? Update. Hello too. So I literally do player inventory.insert and then I literally call update. So I don't know why this isn't updating it correctly unless there's some sort of weird race condition. But I just don't feel that's how it works. Player inventory.insert for I in range items the size. If items I equals null, items I equals item. Inventory change.emit return true. Print item added to slots. D. Items I equals item. Inventory changed. Hello 2. I'm added to slot 2. That's correct. Wait. Wait. I am slot 3. Yep. Hello 2. Cool. Oh, we didn't get that. Wait, what? No, we did. Item added to slot 0. Item added to slot 2. What the fuck? Oh my god. I've just not been this confused in so long. So we pop the item at index. Await player inventory dot inventory changed. Let's just add in an await. Let's buy that. Boom. Well, that's fucked it up even more now. this? Okay, it's just bugging out. This is a real pain in the ass. If I delete that, it's going to be there. Because it is there. It is in the array. And Godot knows it's in the array. It's just for some reason when I'm updating it, it doesn't seem to exist in the array. Wait, play inventory dots inventory change. Let's literally wait for inventory change and call update. See if that does anything. At this point, it has no excuses. We are literally waiting for the signal. This should work. It doesn't. What the fuck? What the hell? To let's print out. Right. Okay. Boom. Updating. It's updated twice. We're okay with that. Item added to slot 2. Updating. Why the fuck is this not updating then? Is it something silly like something in the slot maybe? Item equipped.emit. Item deleted. Item equipped.emit. Update null. Is it something stupid like I need to update null first? Is it something really, really silly? I don't know how this would work, but I'm struggling for ideas at this point. Updating, cool, by a bow. Nice. Boop. What the fuck was that for? Oh my god. Jesus fucking Christ. I felt like I knew that this was working before as well. Okay. That's hilarious. Oh my god. Okay, so what was the actual point here? So we did an item equip. I'm guessing... What was the reason why that was doing that? That was strange. So we pop the item at index. That clearly does just something strange. So I should be able to delete this now, and this works okay. Wow, that was a horrible bug. I've just not had something like that in so long. Oh, that was disgusting. I'm still not entirely sure why that fixed it, which is strange, but... It's one of those wild rides where it's just like, why the hell is this not working? Why the hell is it not working? Okay, so that works now. Jesus. That was insane. Right, let's add some more items. Cool. Well, I'm glad that's over. Let's add a armor folder. Armor. And let's continue on. Resource. Let's see what we have. Inventory item. Boop. Helmet. We want that. We want an atlas texture, so we can give it a sprite sheet. Edit the region. Grid type 1616. Jesus, this armor looks way too cool. Grid snap. Hey. Close. Sell price 300. Equip slot is head. Health modifier 20. Attack modifier 5. Arm modifier 5. Okay. Now we need to add this to a vendor. Helmet.tres. Several sins. Idea, you can have the items as data structures only and have the UI part load the frame from the image required. Give items as data structures only and have the UI part load the frame from the image required. Can you explain that a little bit, please, B-style stuff? Yeah, we're not too far off that actually. We have like the resource for the item, but the resource does include the texture. Have the UI part load the frame from the image required. We do kind of have that right now, if I understand you correctly. Wow, that bug was a wild ride. Really, I was really struggling with that. Damn, look at that, bro! Like, I can't even afford it. That's the problem. That's a sell shit. Hey. Oh, I can't sell shit because he's full. God damn it. Let's just add in some items. I think it's quite fun to add in a few items. Resource. Inventory item. Let's do like body. Baldur's Gate 3, 0 out of 10 game would not recommend. Are you talking about Baldur's Gate, or have you named my game Baldur's Gate? So helmet would F5 slot 1 description, cool to wear on head. Nice description. And frame 16 or Atlas coordinates. UI will take it and display it. Okay. Do you mean like I just referenced the index of the sprite sheet? Did I buy the wrong game? Yeah, it does sound like it a little bit kamikaze. Oh man, you always make me laugh so much, dude. But so B-style stuff, you're saying if I like have the Atlas coordinates, the problem is I still need to work out the coordinates, don't I? So it's like, even if I do it like this, every item would be a custom resource that only holds the data it needs with exploited variables. Yeah. Which is what we have, right? Although I know what you mean about the texture, I have to set that up. So, so you're saying like, oh, if I wanted to programmatically like import all the data, I could, you know, code it in to like load it all up, right? Phew. Right, let's add in the body. It's still up from your versions that they won't each hold the entire image, but just the coordinates. Oh, okay, I get you, I get you. Yeah, sounds cool idea. Hey. Yeah. I've not messed around with items too much yet. So this is, apart from like we got quite far for just a carrot and an egg and a sword. It's only now that we're actually starting to put in anything that looks like actual armor. So I'm just kind of throwing some things in right now just because I don't know yet exactly what's going on. Boom. Wow, this doesn't even look like legs. This looks like a skirt. But boom. Sell price 300. Equip slot legs 5. I don't know, 5 10 10 5 5. Sell price 300 is untradeable. What are we doing? Body, head. Damn, this is like actually kind of strong. I don't think health works either right now. The health modifiers don't add to your actual health right now. We need to figure that out. So if we go to Cactus Jack, he has health, body, legs. Let's delete all the eggs. Egg. Damn, Cactus Jack is fucking stacked. Okay, I still can't oh. That's stupid. I need to add... That's not ideal. now. Let's do that. YouTube's freaking out on me. Right, so I can sell shit to this guy now. God, we can't even see how much this is. God damn it. We're fucking broke. We're goddamn broke. Is Goober still trying to fix the inventory equipment item swap issue? No, Rousey. The Goober is not. We fixed it. And it was a weird bug. It was definitely not my fault. Could never be my fault, Rousey. How you doing, bro? You saying that has completely made me forget what I was trying to do. I think I was trying to give myself more money. Right. Oh, obviously I've got a fucking gold component, of course I have. Everything's just got to be a component these days, hasn't it? It's not cool unless it's a component. Gold component. Okay. Right, let's buy some cool fucking items. Yeehaw. Oh, get absolutely fucked. Right. So, that does not add to your health, but it adds to your attack. My gold has regenerated, which is not intended. But damn, we are fucking slaying these bitches. Look at that. Okay. That's nice. So we're slowly making progress. That's nice. Also, if any of you guys like the stream, feel free to give it a thumbs up. That'd be much appreciated. I'll send someone round to give you a kiss. Okay, so here's kind of like... we need to handle saving and shit at some point. My Discord link is broke. Oh god. Man, there's so many fucking things you have to keep track of. It's so difficult in this day and age, man. There you are, Rousey. Try that one. But yeah, I'll fix that. Thanks for letting me know, by the way, man. Love you, bro. You're the man. Okay. So, we need to update the health. Obviously, I've got that in a health component, which makes everything fucking annoying. So, we've got stats. Okay. Component. We've got a health component. So, we need to export var. That works. Yeah, so a Discord invite by default only works for like 7 days or something. So it's kind of annoying because I put everything in the description and then after 7 days someone said, hey, your thing's not working. And I was like, what? It's like, oh, because they make the invites only last for like 7 days by default. So right, in the health components, we need to have a reference to our equipment. So when we do ready, So current health equals this plus equipment dot get stats. Get modifiers dot get health. Cool. I feel like something is not going to be correct here. There we have health components.
Look, I know I must sound insane, but that's part
Get gold component die.
If she can't handle me at my worst, she don't deserve my mental baggage. I know you want 6'4", but 1 foot more, and I'd almost be tall enough to reach the high shelf. Be your
Yo, Hamid Marania, where's the donate button? There is not one, I'm afraid. You just have to send me your love, my friend.
to myself.
Which would just be appreciated. To do, fixed name. God damn it, why did I add shitty to do things?
Monthly giving her 50% of my income. Feels like my ideas of affection.
So, I have a health component, which is ironically where my health is. We need to think about how we handle our health. Because if you change that right away while making one, it will generate a new one with your settings. Yeah, you can do. The problem is if it's in... Maybe there's a better way of doing it, but I have to go through and update the descriptions. I think I did it for everything apart from the live stream. Maybe I forgot about the live stream. Can I get modifiers on base nil? Okay. So we have a health component on our player, which is where the health is. And things are a bit more complicated now because we also need to link the equipment. So if I go to new home.tcm player, equipment, we have that.
I was running through the city and I'm feeling just a little blue. Well, I'm still hung up on you, 'cause I still got my youth. I sat down and thought about all the things that I would never do. I guess I did them all, but it's not my fault. Well, I'm a little
Health
too
component
drunk
damage.
to be answering my phone, and I'm trying my best, but you get me on my own. And
What do we
every
do in
time
the
I
hood?
drink, I wanna drive home. Convince me that I shouldn't be alone.
So we get the current health, health component stats.health. Then where do we set the stats?
See, I was tripping over my own words just to get them out. Smoke in my lungs. I slept on the couch.
So it's a player here, we've got a health component, equipment, okay. So we can link the equipment.
And you're talking loud. Well, I'm a little too drunk to be answering my phone. And I'm trying
We can link the equipment to the health component.
and every time I drink, I wanna drive home.
And then in health components, we can do
Be alone. Well, I'm a little too drunk to be answering my phone.
you can update on a couple of the latest video streams. People will check new ones. I'll try to check old videos about it. Might change later. Yeah, it's a good idea. I think it should be fixed on the videos. It's probably just the live stream. I need to fix with the live streams probably. I just completely forgot about that. But thanks for pointing that out, bro. So what we need to do is in the health component, we need to update the health component when the equipment is updated. So equipment, we use a signal for that. Dot equipment change dot connect, and then we make a function called update health. Func. Oh, func. How you doing anyway, Rousey? What are you up to? Update health. So we need a current health, and we also need a max health. Do we need to export it? Maybe. Let's do. We need to do a max health or do a current health. Updates, we just need to do that, I think. No return static type, we're okay with that. Right, let's try this. So hood. Let's see how this looks. Let's give it a whirl. So it still says 150 out of 150, which is interesting. If I buy this, still 150. Oh, 170, 200, 225. Okay, damn. We've got more health. That's good. Okay. So we have 225. That doesn't really help. We need a way of healing. God damn it. I feel like that is not as concrete as I'd want it to be. Let's write a function to heal. So func heal amount int void. Damage taken. Let's do health changed. No. Damage taken. Healed. I don't know if we need these signals right now, but we'll just do it anyway, just so it's consistent. Basically the same as damage, so healed dot amount. If current health plus amount is going to equal to max health, current health equals max health, boom, boom, otherwise current health plus equals amount. Right, let's try some stuff. So when we buy this, buy, cool. And then when we equip it, our health goes up. And then when we unequip it, damn, our health goes down. Okay. If max health is greater than current health, equals max health. So basically, if we unequip items, we have to make sure that our current health is equal to our new max health. Oh, we have no way of healing. That's kind of annoying. Maybe we can add like a really basic way of healing. Right, let's add in area 2D. Add a child node, collision shape. So area 2D. Texture, sprite. Add a texture. Let's add it in texture 2D. Canvas texture. Image texture. Viewport texture. Transform. No, don't that. Sprite 2D. Gradient 2D. Oh, yes, that's what we want. Okay. Collision box. We need a square. Right. I'm gonna I'm gonna add in a healing zone. So let's do funk process delta floats void for body in area 2D dot get evaporate bodies if body dot is in group player body dot God. So if body is player, body dot health component dot heal 2. Damn. We got healing. Let's have a look. Right, so we buy some equipment. We equip some equipment. We go in. Oh, you bastard. What's happened here? Get modifiers based nil. That's because we're doing this. This is janky. Wait, why is that not working now? Okay. Max health. Non-existent function. Get modifiers in base nil. So saying that equipment is nil. Which it says here, equipment is nil. Which doesn't seem to be correct. Oh, it's the health component on the player. Close that, so we equip. What's health equals stats.health plus equipment.get modifiers.get help. Non-existent function, get modifiers and base nil. Oh, is this because okay. I know why. If equipment, because all the monsters have this, and so it's checking this for all the monsters. And because I've not gave them equipment, they're freaking out. So I guess we don't really need to do any of this, but that's one way of fixing it. Okay, so this should be okay now. If we do that, equip. Cool, and if I stand here, we get healed. Or there's a bug. But we should get healed. Oh damn, okay, we get healed over our thing, which is fun. Damn, okay, cool. We're healing. Heal. We need to return here, that's why. Right. Let's quickly do these errors. This is going to be area 2D. For body. For body 2D. No 2D? Right. in case that works correctly now. These die very easily. Still, I thought I would update these.
I turn my head to meet your sun-kissed face in this quiet place. I can give you all my time. Clouds up above, casting shadows on the ground. Rain was falling endlessly, tired of keeping my head down. So technicolor, no more living black and white, rising over the horizon.
Right. Anyway, I'm gonna jump off, guys. So I have to go have some food and stuff like that. But thanks everybody for watching. If everybody could give it a thumbs up, that'd be cool. If not, very nice to have you here. If anyone else wants to join the Discord, there's a thing in the Discord. But yeah, thank you everybody for showing up. It's been a pleasure. I'll see you guys next time. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I love you all lots. Bye.